If you like to work with your hands and you like vehicles, this would definitely be a good program to join. My name is Chris Smith, and this is C-Tech Auto Body, and I really like coming here every day. At Auto Body, you get to physically work on vehicles instead of reading and just writing about different things. You get to physically work on it with your hands. Yeah, for me personally, it's definitely easier for me to learn. After C-Tech, I would like to get into a job at an auto shop and start working. My favorite thing that I've learned so far is definitely the welding. Welding is used if you're trying to join two pieces of metal together. This right here is sheet metal, and we use two pieces and we weld it right down the center. So we've done different things from pulling off vehicle parts to welding to painting doors and fenders, and then also cleaning the vehicles. We learned about different types of paint, different types of paint products, and how to actually sand the vehicle down. We've learned how to actually weld, the difference between different welders, and difference between cleaning products and what protective equipment you should use for the cleaning products. Mr. Frazita, our instructor for this course, is an amazing teacher. He's helpful with if we have questions or anything. If you would like to sign up for the Auto Body program, please contact your counselor.